I recently went flying at a new field that looks really flat and level and no cornstalk. I thought I would start out with my electric Ranger that had been flying good from the other field. On the first launch, a set screw came loose and the motor ripped off the mount and ripped the wires from the motor, making the motor useless now. This had happened one other time, but the wires didn't get ripped out. I had tightened it up so tight, but even with electrics, there's a certain amount of vibration. Next, I got out my E36 Sunstreak. On my better planes, I check out the timer and RDT before launching. Crazy thing, the motor was running in reverse. I switched two wires and then it was fine. I wonder if my ESC has been stressed as I had too big a prop before. This is a near vertical launch and it transitioned pretty good. On one flight it glided right near myself. I flew my GTS at E36 after that and it was going really left, so I didn't fly it but about 3 times. So after this I flew my half A Zeek with the extended wing powered by a Holland Hornet 049. Well, before I got it started the first time, a wire broke on the clip assembly. So I used my Cox clip for starting. Well, here's the first flight of the Zeek and it looked pretty good. I wipe off the camera lens after every glow flight, but it started out on this video. It must have had a smudge on it, making things blurry. This airplane got too heavy and it wasn't gliding very well, so that's why I extended the wing after the wing had broken half. I strictly fly this for sport flying. I looked at the GPS just to see how far it had gone out, which was about 230 meters, and I used the app just to learn it better. Well, after a couple of flights, I had trouble getting the engine to run more than a couple seconds. I think I must have picked up a speck of dirt out in the dirt field. My nose wheel had bent back, and I bent that forward so it wasn't flipping over. I think that's where I picked up the dirt. But I got it running again. So this morning I looked at the Ranger and I see the one set screw is completely missing. I have a similar motor, just a little higher kV that I will put in there, but I'm going to use Loctite on that now. And I resoldered the banana plug on my glow clip. I've been using some RTV on the connected areas and it seems to help with the stress, but it looks like heck. The more I do free flight, it seems like my issues are smaller. I'm not crashing airplanes all the time like I used to, and I'm always having fun.